Okay, I'm going to do a little more work on my cooking journal. Now I've got a few photos, original black and white photos that I found with some chefs. Which I thought would be nice to put on there. This is one of my faux photos that I made. It's just a picture out of an old encyclopedia. So I'm going to put that in. Isn't that cute? Little girl. Look at the old stove. And this is an original photo as well. Just some ladies at the dinner table. There's some writing on the back, but it's in another language, so I'm not sure. This one does say 1939. So I'm going to put those in as well. I'll put the link to the faux photo video down in the comments box below. And also a black and white video haul that I did. I was given a whole bunch of gorgeous old black and white photos if you want to have a look at them. Now, when I pull photos and stuff out of albums, or I pull old photo albums apart, I often keep, if I can, the little photo corners. So I might use some of those as well, if I can. But these two kind of go together. So I'm going to find a place to put those. Okay, this one I'm finished with for now, the first signature. Well, not finished with, but for now. I generally kind of shove stuff in my journals and then I come back to it later. You know, you go through and you add stuff, you know, you go through the signatures 1,000 different times when you put together a journal. Okay, so this is my second signature. And mind you, my pages, while they're in this order now, they often don't stay in this order. Okay. This page, I'm probably just going to cover up and make a writing page. I've got, yeah, that's right. I've got a big pocket page in here, which makes it quite thick. So this, I think, will just become a writing page. Or I might put a picture on it. We'll see. I'm going to skip that for now. I'm just going to find a place to put these photos. This was a coffee dyed page out of a photo album. It's so nice and crinkly. Maybe I'll just mount photos there. Actually, I think that's what I'm going to do. But I don't like this page next to this. So I'll mount these for now, but I'll probably shuffle the pages later, if you know what I mean. Yes, okay. I'm going to put them on with the little photo corners so that whoever ends up with this journal can take them out and they can leave them there or move them about, do whatever. Okay. Ooh, how am I going to attach these? Just got a stamp on the back of wherever. Excuse my grotty hands. I've been coffee dyeing papers and cleaning my craft room desk. All sorts of things today. Actually, I do think I can save these little corners. Sometimes they're really hard to pull out of the albums, and you can't really save them because the little plastic comes off with the card. You know, the card rips off the little plastic corner. You know, that little bit there. Oh gosh, it's so cold here. My fingers are... You can see how, look, my hands are purple. I was out coffee dyeing papers this morning. And they are freezing. Okay. Now, I'm going to use some acetone-based glue, but I don't know if it'll stick to this paper. It's kind of like, you know, vellum, or we'll see. Okay. I'm going to pop that aside to dry for a bit. This I'm going to leave as is. It's got some little recipes on it. Okay, this guy needs to get covered up. Okay, this was the paper bag that I made into pocket pages there and there, and there and there. I might work on that. This is the little recipe book we made in the previous video. Okay, just want to ink this first because I can't see that it's a pocket. Wish I had sewn these edges before I glued the pocket over. Too late now. We'll just make it work. Okay. Why have I got a little puppy here? I don't know. Okay. Now I've got the little booklet to put in one side. I need to find something to put in the other side. We'll make some big journal cards or something. Okay, if that goes in there. Have this nice little old fridge picture I'm going to put there actually. I think that's kind of cute. Oops, did I say fridge? I meant stove. Stir. Okay, this is a bag of little bits of book spine. And I've pulled apart books and stuff. I'm just going to run a stitch down this. Okay, So that'll just hang over the edge a little. If you pull apart books like I do to use in your journals, always keep the bits of book spine and stuff, because look, I don't know if you can see that, but it looks really nice. I think it makes a great embellishment. Okay, I love that old stove. Look how cool it is. Okay, so I might leave it there for today, and we'll be back another day to work on the cooking journal some more. Thanks for watching. Bye.